Oh.
Wait. Can they shoot together?
Go in. Go on. Yeah. Oh.
Okay. No.
Whoa, that's a ricochet. Did you fucking see that? Take this. It's like a quick time event. Both press square at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Okay. What is... There we go.
Yeah, you want that one, this one shut down, yeah?
Yeah, go.
You want just the top one? There you go.
Oh, I see, like that. You're right, yeah. That felt like an enchanted puzzle right there.
Hang on, wait.
Granada! Just fucking go! Go! Hit! Step back coming out! Got one. Oh no. This is my end. Is it? No, please. No. Oh, there we go.
I thought you were I was like, oh my god.
I'll be stuck in now. That was it. Yellow? No? Headshot. I've got it. I've got one in the ball, yeah. Headshot. No, we're not. Somebody there. I'll take it. I'm not having that on my ass. Wait.
Flashlight. Wait.
We're making our own loot box.
I'm going to make sure he fucking goes. I'm making sure he goes. You come with. I'm going to
Stick him on your shoulders.
Ow.
Oh no! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I've actually put someone in one of the serving
you get?
in the kitchen. No one, they didn't find it.
Alright, someone who's played here before messaged Ryan and I think told him about a few tablets. He loves it. Is he still up there in that?
Oh fuck.
He's in or not?
He'll go.
Go. We'll get him in there. Right, slam the door.
You need a smaller gun though.
Mate, oh yeah, take the KSG.
It's fine.
Oh, trust me, we'll be able to close the door.
I'll just stand in front of it for a bit. Oh!
Yeah, just leave it like that.
Hey.
That'll do. Yippee-ki-yay! Oh! Yeah. No! Dead man! That was awful. They tried to get in, I was holding it, and they just opened it. Didn't even like surrender me, just lit me up.
Think of the views, mate.
Yeah.
There, right there. There he is.
Someone needs to check this. Woo! I'm stuck! Cuddle in. Can I get in? Of course you can. Get in, jump in. Yeah, go on, lay down, go on, lay in. Let's do it. We checked? Oh, mate! No! Man down! Just fucking executed him! I can't, I don't be throwing him further. Well done. Oh wait, no, you honestly can't see shit. Are you just gonna hide there? Hey, hey, hey! Hey, I'm coming out, you got me. I'm coming out. Good job, lads. I was shitting a brick sat in there. I was just like, oh, she's still... You there, he won! What's on the new tube? Yeah. What's it got written on it?
Serenader.
Love it. We've been had! Yeah! Hey! Nice trade, man.
Should we try it? I'll take it.
Tell you what, dude, I tell you what, come back. Rock, paper, scissors, right? You win, we all go back. Like, from the three of us. It's fair then. Yeah? Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, wait. On shoot, yeah, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Good, no! Oh, we're dead. Nice one. Wait, Nath.
Has he just taken your gun?
He just took my gun. Nath. Right, that's it. Let's do it. Fist only, lads.
Fist fight, is it?
Go. Go on. Sort of. Probably can if I do this. Yellow.
We're yellow.
Yellow.
What the fuck, mate? What the fuck? You were shooting at me, you fucking lemon. Oh my god.
Yeah, but there's just yellows everywhere. Are you sure there's...
Go on then.
Yeah, let's take...
Everyone loves high pipes.
Exactly. Can't turn it down.